I'm doing another video, another in video ya kitchen. So I have an update. Baby steps mpaka tufike kule. So I have some new things I got. I wanna share with you. Na niwaonyeshe show. What we're gonna do is that you can see here I got these for storage jars a while back. So as you can see, I'm trying to get rid of the plastic ones. These plastic things you can see over here. So na change pole. One thing about me, I always budget for something, no matter how much I need it. So actually these easy as jakuwa needs ni wants tu zile ni maisha tu. So as you can see, I got these Weetabix hazina mahali ya kuweka. So I also have this milk powder in here. Haifai kukaa hapo. The thing is I'm trying to get rid of the plastic storage containers. Vitu kama hizi ndo natoa pole mdogo. So for that I got 2 other jars. Aki mimi mtoto wa mama najipenda na niliosha. So I got this. Mnaona ni safi. They are 2 kgs each. Ni kgs kweli. Why is kgs feeling wrong anyways, right? Ni za kilo 2 each. So I got this one particularly for Weetabix and this other one for granola. But when I went to the supermarket yenye karibu kutafuta granola sikupata. So in another video in the meantime nitaweka tu hapa nini milk powder na Weetabix hapa, alafu kuna hii yenye nimetoa mchele, sitaki kuweka mchele hapo tena. So nitaweka granola hapo. So in the meantime let's recharge here. Oh, I also got this water bottle. Ni ya kubeba kwa bag. At least I'm adding something to my water containers. Zama ni zinaitwa nini hizi water bottles? Kuna hii where is the other one? Kuna hii alafu kuna hizo sasa za thermoses hizo 2 za kubeba. At least naongeza tu pole. Anyway, baby steps mpaka tufike kwenye tuna aim. Tunajiombea daily tufike mahali tuna aim. So let's fill in our Weetabix. And someone asked me the price. Go to the supermarket and check the price for yourself. Price inadifanga na places. Kama mimi nilibai kitu 200, maybe pale utaenda unanunua 1500. So nikikwambia 200 wewe upate ni 1500, you'll come back blaming me. So kwa price I'm not giving out any prices. So inategemea na mahali unabai. Yeah.
Laying low, no place to go. Sunlight dances through the window. Lazy haze fills up the room. Got no plans, just me and you. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me. Wrapped up in pink blankets, under the sheets. Lost in the moment, in our own dream. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. Coffee stains on the table. Lazy kisses, we're unable to escape this cozy bubble where we're lost in each other's troubles. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me. Wrapped up in pink blankets, under the sheets. Lost in the moment, in our own dream. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. Lazy weekend, it's a lazy weekend, just you and me. this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we really care. Through thick and thin, you've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean on when the tears couldn't hide. You're the one who lifts me up when I'm feeling down. With you, my friend, there's no need to wear a frown. Friendship, oh friendship, upon the storms and sunny days, together we'll walk this road, hand in hand, yeah. Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend. In the silence of the night, or the chaos of the day, you're the one I turn to in every single way. With you, I find solace in the warmth of your embrace. Together we stand strong in this endless race. Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend. Laying low, no place to go. Sunlight dances through the window. Lazy haze filled up the room. Got no plans, just me and you. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound.
So guys, today I did a kamini shopping for my mom. Last time we did a restock on this, so you can see a girl is all set. Oh, details over here. So yeah, we added another water bottle into my collection of water bottles. And guys, nilifungua nikaiosha. For one, nikaigwara hapa, sijui kama mnaona hapa kwa M imegwarwa. Alafu nikasahau kuifunika venye ilikuwa imefunikwa, like kuirudisha venye ilikuwa. Anyway, this is what leftovers for lunchtime. This is my baby over here. Anyway, yeah. So, nyama na mchele, that is exactly what I'm gonna have for dinner. And I love taking tea at night. So, this is me. I just love this club glass. It comes as an offer when you get buy 2 liters of Coke or club soda, you get this club whatever. So the highlight of my day is I got this tea masala. This is what I've been putting my tea bags, both tangawizi and masala. And now when I was shopping, actually this is the little shopping I got. I want to give it a friend. You know, things are tough. How far do you go for your friends? I just got her 2 packets of Joy Max grade 1 sifted and fortified mains meal and all-purpose flour, 1 packet of salt, bread. I just want to give them out. And when you come to this other side, I have some onions, so I think hiyo kidogo atashukuru. So this is all I got for myself, tea masala, and I just want to try it out. Yes, I know it's as Daisha, but yeah. Also, last time we did shopping, I didn't have eggs. So yesterday night I got some eggs, and of course nilishapika mbili. My bread leftover is over there. Like yeah. So let me try this and show you. Ama tufungue na nini? Sijui nafunguliwa aje. These struggles are nail. Okay, over here. I think it's over here. So let's do this. Mi sijui naonja aje. Kaina si wamesema hapa. I think yeah. Mi sijui ni aje. Finally we have it. These are the look. Anyway, nimetoka kuosha vyombo. Don't come for my hands. Nimetoka kuosha vyombo, as you can see from there. So, oh, this is how they look, and it's what flavor? Masala flavor. So I'll just go in with this one. So let's see how it goes. Oh, inanukia vizuri. It's right over here. So this is a mixture of hot water, sugar, and milk powder. So let's see. And guys, this is today's receipt, and I used 1742. This is all I got from the supermarket today. So let's see how our tea comes out. My tea is ready. I'm tired of stirring, but this is the tea. And this is exactly what I'm gonna be having for dinner. So let me enjoy. Okay. So guys, something about me. Sikosangi kitu ya kubai kwa supermarket. So today I've passed by the supermarket and I've actually added a pack of Rego cubes. I've gotten myself a chocolate, cream white chocolate, added prestige margarine, and got this royal fresh sugared strawberry 1 liter, and added choma sauce. As you all know, zenye niko nazo jikoni hazijaisha, but yo, I just got some goodies today. Yeah, 1 month in na itaisha bado. So my name tag is the best.